Okay, quick introduction on how to use a microscope properly. You're going to be using microscopes during this activity, and it's really important that you know how to use them so you can see what you're supposed to be seeing and so that you don't damage them. First of all the microscopes are going to be available in one of these upper tall cabinet doors. They're right in there inside of the lab station, so you can get them out there. They should all have a cover on them. So take the cover off, unwind the power cord, get that plugged into one of the outlets. If it doesn't seem to be working, check to make sure that one of the little buttons on the outlet isn't popped out. You'll need to push that back in. Now, you're going to be looking at both your own hair as well as the hair samples from your suspects or your persons of interest today. Your persons of interest ones are going to be found in one of these little red boxes. These red boxes have the microscope slides there. And so I'm going to use one of those to illustrate how to use the microscope properly. Now, if the person who was using the microscope the last time you did it properly, they should have lowered the stage all the way and turned it back to low power, which is the red lens here. We're going to utilize that, and we're going to put that right in here on the stage using the little clamp thing here. All right, now, once you're ready, you can turn on the power. The power switch is right here in the back, right there. And you're ready to go looking at the hair under the microscope on low power, the red objective lens. Right? When you do that, you're going to be able to adjust using your your coarse adjustment knob to get that slide into focus. Only on low power should you really ever use the large knob. You can use the smaller knob when you are on higher power. The reason for this is the coarse knob moves the stage really quickly, the fine one moves it very slowly, and we don't want to smash our slide and our stage into our lens. So, I'm going to get that into focus on low power, and then on this side, over here, there are two little knobs that are going to be able to move the slide around on the stage as long as you got that clamped in there properly. So use these to move it left and right or up and down, and you can use that to scan around and find the hair that you're looking for. Once you've got that in focus, then you're good to move up to a higher power. And to do that, you're just going to switch the objective turret to medium. And now we want to use the fine adjustment to get that back in focus. Often when you change lenses, things are going to be a little bit out of focus, and you'll have to adjust with the fine knob. Same thing for moving up to high power. Once that's in focus, you can go up to high power, and you can use the fine knob to adjust there. If you can't see things very well, you might need to adjust how much light is coming through your microscope, and to do that, right on the front here is the diaphragm that adjusts how much light is going to be coming up from the underside. There are different numbers there. Right now I'm on 5, which is the most light. If I switch that to 1, it's the least amount of light. And so that might affect your ability to see things. If you need any help with the microscopes, just let me know and I'll come over and help you.